It's thank God again and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable multi-language on your YouTube channel. Yes, I've said it in my previous video that you can enable multi-language on your YouTube channel so that when you post your video, YouTube will be able to translate it in other languages. For instance, if you post in English, YouTube can translate your videos, audio, headings, text and other things to other languages so that people that are searching your videos using other languages, YouTube will be able to show them the video to their own languages. This way your videos, your content will reach more audiences from other countries. So I'm going to show you this today, and if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share it to someone who you think will help him. So the first thing we need to do is to go to the menu and go to the settings. From the settings, you need to go to channel settings. From channel settings, go to advanced settings. From advanced settings, scroll down until you see very good, until you see automatic dubbing. Yes, this is what we are looking for. In order for YouTube to translate your videos and everything to other languages, you need to turn on these settings. This is what YouTube says: automatically translate your audio tracks into different languages and add them to your video. Yes, when you post your content, for instance, in English language, YouTube will be able to now translate it to other languages so that people that are searching your content using different other languages will be able to listen to your videos in their own language. You understand? So make sure you turn on automatic dubbing so that your videos will appear to more languages. This way, your channel will now be multi-language and will appear to many other languages and many other countries, which will boost your views and boost your subscription to other languages. Hope you like this tutorial. Remember, subscribe, like this video, share it to more audience.